For the past 2 decades, I've created more stars than anybody on the planet. Brooke Burke, Naomi Campbell, Stephanie Seymour, Carrie Otis, Carla Bruni, Monica Bellucci. I mean, I could go on if you want. I became powerful in the modeling industry. At the highest level, I'm the most powerful modeling agent in the world. All my models make millions of dollars in the modeling industry. And then the question becomes, well, what do I do with that power? I did pimp at the age of 21, 22 years old. And now I have to go back into that world and I have to do what I do.
Hey, what are you ladies doing over there?
Nothing. Leave us alone.
We're going into strip clubs. We're going into porn sites. We're going to homeless shelters. We're going to call up escort services. We're going to interview hundreds and hundreds of girls.
It's really uncomfortable sometimes.
We're going to go, everywhere.
Pretty much I'm a psychiatrist. I might be doing it naked, but I'm making a difference.
I don't know where they're going to come from. But am I going to take a kid out of a strip club, out of a brothel, and make her into an important young person and empower her? Watch me. My job is to make their dreams come true, but I don't need them to like me. I'm not afraid of giving them tough love. Fix that shit. Each kid is going to be a different young person. Each kid is going to be a different strategy.
We had a pretty rough childhood growing up. My mom was the victim of domestic violence.
I put together an expert team of people that cover everything that I'm going to need to help them transform.
We price jobs based on how much time they take us.
I have nutritionists. I have spiritual teachers. I have detox people.
It's not an easy subject.
I am going to teach these young people that their trauma is their tool. Change your life. But the challenge is one challenge. Teach them how to love themselves. And if they can love themselves, then they can give love to the rest of the world out there. I assure you, will not be easy. I'm not going out there to make friends. I'm going to go to war with boyfriends and pimps. I'm going to war with everybody. But if I save one child, then it's all worth it.
This is your team.
Anything is possible. They think I'm doing something great for them. When I take a kid out of a rehab or a homeless shelter, they go, oh my God, like you saved my life. But what they don't realize is they're saving my life.
Welcome to Hollywood. What's your dream?
So, you want to join the esteemed ranks of the Ski Patrol? Fantastic. Well, you'd better be in peak condition. Now, let's get you some gear. And then we'll review a few simple things you will need to know. Ski lift operation. The ski lift area is a place where accidents commonly occur. It is the sworn duty of the Ski Patrol to keep this area clear of hazards that may endanger innocent skiers. First-rate job, Cadet. You have thwarted that piece of trash's plans for ruining the fun of some unsuspecting skier. Administering oxygen. At heights above 8,000 feet, oxygen may have to be administered to counter high-altitude sickness. Here are the steps that need to be taken. Step 1, be sure to check the pressure gauge. Step 2, close the regulator flow valve with a right-angle gator clamp. Step 3, open the tank valve slowly to a half turn beyond where the regulator becomes pressurized and there is a maximum reading on the pressure gauge. Step 4, before Step 2, add a drop of iodine to the tubing. Step 5, see Step 6. Step 6, ignore Step 3. Now, you try. Fantastic! Your skills are like a breath of fresh air, or in this case, oxygen. Broken bones. broken leg, the ski patrol's cowardly arch enemy. Well, we can fix that in a snap. No pun intended. Perfect! Using sticks and some rope, you can fashion an amazingly secure splint. First, arrange the sticks so they provide support above and below the injury. Now, gently secure the splints with the rope by tying constrictor knots at each end. Make them nice and tight. We don't want that broken leg going anywhere. Take that, broken leg. Now, the patient is ready for evacuation. Patient evacuation. Sometimes it is necessary to get the patient off the mountain as quickly as possible. Ski Patrol candidate, remember your helicopter training? Great! Let's get our patient to safety. Easy now. We must ensure a smooth transfer to the ambulance. Outstanding! Now that's a high we can all enjoy. Chapped lips. Even though the ski patrol can be dangerous, not all situations are life and death. Take chapped lips, for example. Here's what you do. Step 1, remove the cap. Step 2, twist to expose some of the lip balm and apply liberally. Step 3, check the make the call. Step 37, massage the heart to stimulate the blood flow. Step 38, in the event of 2 or more pints of blood being lost, use blood supply taken from the blood bank. Step 39, make sure you've the corpus callosum can be split. You can superglue it back if necessary. Step 128, reapply the cap to the lip balm. Nobody likes dried out lip balm. There, wasn't that easy? Well done, trainee. Congratulations! You are now the ultimate enforcer of ski safety. Take pride in your duty, knowing the slopes are a safer place with you on them. Now go out there and save some lives.
It's a long road to the Vancouver Olympics. And for this team, there may be a few wrong turns along the way. This winter, hang out with a few international misfits. Kwame, the only member of the Ghana ski team, a country with no snow, on a quest to qualify for the 2010 Olympics. Joro kicked off the Bulgarian national team. He doesn't believe Kwame has a chance to qualify.
Try to do something else.
And the producer, he's just trying to keep it together.
Who knows what the real story is? We come here and it's snowing too much.
But even with a team this tight, getting Kwame qualified isn't going to be easy. Does he have what it really takes to get the points to make it? Join us as we follow the Ghana national ski team racing throughout the world. Italy, Greece, Bulgaria, the World Championship at Val d'Isère, France, Turkey, and even Iran. It's a show about ski racers you've probably never heard of. Trying to do something they are totally unqualified to do.
I want you to take 2,000 euros, train and race.
But for this team, getting there is half the fun. Outland, ski racers on the fringe.
Now when I was a little boy, at the age of 5, I had something in my pocket, keeps a lot of folks alive. Now I'm a man, I'm a man. You know, baby, we can have a lot of fun. I'm a man.
I'm sure that you know where I stand. Lead me on, do it while you still can. Party up the street, even though there is no place to park. Party up the street, and you know what happens after dark. You can see our feet from the street, since the garage was halfway open. Our eyes didn't meet until we started rolling.
Party up the street, even though there is no place to park. Party up the street, and you know what happens after dark.
Close my eyes, only for a moment, and the moment's gone. All my dreams pass before